Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I'm here to share with you just a little unboxing, a little something I bought from HSN during their craft day, and a little something that I ordered from Hobby Lobby. And sorry, you look a little crooked there. Sorry. Okay, so let's start off with Hobby Lobby. This came today and I'm very excited. Now, I live in northeastern Pennsylvania and we do have a Hobby Lobby here. However, it's up in Dixon City. And just from things I have been seeing, it's kind of like, I don't think I should go to that store because I think I would get myself in big trouble. So if you don't know this, you can order online. They have hobbylobby.com. And you can also use coupons online. So they usually have a 40% coupon on one of your items. So, you know, I like it best to shop from home because I feel like I save money that way. I spend money, but I save money because I'm sure if I was in the store, I'd find a lot more things than some wood pieces and wood knobs. So first off, I bought 2 of these ball knobs. They're 1 inch. And I'm into these Christmas gnomes. I'm seeing gnomes everywhere. Last year my daughter was making gnomes, and so this is kind of a gnome video. And I thought these would be really cute to make their little noses out of. And because they're knobs, this side is flat. They had the round balls, but I figured, you know, to glue this on with it being flat, I mean, that's a better bet, right? So I got 2 packs. I can make 12 gnomes. Now, the other part is, of the gnomes, you need to have, from what I've seen, using chalk couture, which, you know, is one of my loves, you need to have wood blocks. They were making the bodies out of the wood blocks, and they were using the chalk couture on the wood blocks, and then fabric for the little hat and the little face. What are they using for the face? I don't remember. But I did get the stuff, which I don't even know where I put it right now. But I did get the stuff for a beard. I found that through Amazon. And needless to say, I don't know if you know this, but you can buy wood blocks through Hobby Lobby. Now, these are called carving blocks. And I wasn't really sure as to what I was going to get when I ordered these, because it was kind of like, forget how they explained it. It was like, one was like a wood pile, and the other one, do I have a thing on here? Oh, the thing came off of the other one. Maybe it says back here, hold on. And here's like the SKU number, like if you're interested in this. But these are other wood blocks. Where's the SKU number for this one? Well, there's the UPC thing, but this says for craft, hobby, art, and school projects. Plans not included, of course, because you need to come up with your own ideas. But, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm going to use my chalk couture, whether I'm going to do gnomes or I don't know what, but these are carving blocks, so I thought that could even work for the gnome body. Unless, you know, I get myself a saw, but I'm usually not allowed to have sharp objects. We'll just leave it at that. So then I got this pack. Now these came dark. I mean, I didn't really get a choice. So we have some of these, which are thin. You can make little signs out of these. These are cute, right? I love the smell of wood. I don't know. Does anybody else like me who sniff wood? Okay, maybe just me. And then here's some more blocks. Look how cute these are. And these are like a tan color, like brown, like beige, tan, whatever. So they have 4 of those, and then they have all of these, which would make really cute little signs and that. My daughter makes wreaths, and she had said we should combine our 2 crafties together, between, you know, my signs and her wreaths, and, you know, we'd make quite a pair. So this is another thing. This is called the Wood Economy Bag. And look, it was only $4.99. Can you see $4.99? I probably shouldn't be telling you this, because now you're all going to go online and want to get it. But anyhow, is there a thing on here? I don't see one of those UPC things or anything on here, but there's some sort of number up in the corner here. 1220631. But it comes in a nice little drawstring bag. You know how we all love our bags. So that's repurposable. Repurposable? Repurposable. Okay. So anyhow, these are these nice pieces. And look how nice these are. They're like even sanded already, because I thought I was going to have to get myself a little palm sander, but these are nice. You can make all kinds of little signs, and these pretty much are all the same. Let me measure that. It's 7 by 3¼ So, yeah, I mean, will these stand? Oh, they'll stand. Yeah, so who knows? Who knows what I'm going to come up with? Anybody have any ideas of, yeah, I'm not going to be able to get these back in here. Remember how I took them out? Of some projects to make with them? Please be sure, leave a comment down below if you've ever ordered these and what you've made with them. So yeah, that's my little Hobby Lobby. So let me push that aside. And next, my HSN purchase. Oop, there we go. Yeah, gnome for Christmas. 105 pieces, die cut, stamp, and paper collection. I know, I don't want to hear it. You know, we all know who I'm affiliated with. But this comes with 12 sheets of die cut toppers, 72 pieces total, 6x6 designer papers, 12 designs, 2 of each, 24 total, 4x6 approximately clear sentiment stamp set, and 9 stamps are in our total. This is by Little Darlings Rubber Stamps. Cute. Warning, choking hazard. I'll be sure to remember that. Of course, that's not for adults. You should know better, right? So look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Well, normally, every year, I have a, oh, these are one-sided, so I have a cookie exchange. And I don't know, it's getting late in the year. I've had a lot of things going on in my life. I was thinking of using the gnomes, having that as my theme for my Christmas cookie exchange party that I do. Are you watching these? I'm showing these as I'm chit-chatting. Ho, ho, ho. And I was going to use this kit to make my invitations and just little giveaways and things like that. But I love the plaid. But, oh, the paper smells good too. But, well, it's getting late in the season. Next week is already Thanksgiving, and I always do it the first Sunday in December, and it's just, I'm just not into it for this year. It's just, yeah. But here's the stamp set anyhow. Wishing you a merry little Christmas. From our gnome to yours. For a friend like gnome one else. Noel. It's Noel with a G in front of it. Okay, I really want to say that. Thanks, you know me so well. Merry Christmas and Happy Gnome Year. A little something specially for you. Gnome peeking, gnome for the holidays. I just think that's super cute. Well, I guess I could have looked at it this side. Look how cute that is. 9 stamps. Okay, and then here's all sorts of die cuts. Okay, I have what, 2 sheets of each? 2 sheets? My fingers aren't working. 2 sheets. Look at how cute they are. Look at these little gnomes. Oh my goodness. I guess they don't really have faces. Now I'm looking at this, so when I go to make my wood things, I don't need to worry about a face. Just a hat and a nose and a body. But, oh my goodness. And look at these. These just like punch right out. And they're a nice weight, I guess you want to call it a cardstock. Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness. But who knows, maybe I'll use these for Christmas cards. Going against, you know, whatever. But, or maybe some little gifts. Or, you know, these would be great for gift tags. Because the back is white. So you can write, you know, a to and from and tie them onto gifts this year. Or if I make little gnomes and I make them for gifts this year, how cute would it be to tie on these for a little to and from. So those are my gnomes. Oh my gosh, they're just so stinking cute. Like, who else loves gnomes that's out there? Be sure to comment down below. Heartfelt wishes from this gnome to yours at this special time of year. Heading gnome for Christmas. Oh, I love them. I just think, look at this guy here. Peace, joy, North Pole. Oh my goodness, they're super cute. So anyhow, yeah, I got suckered into this. I mean, it was a really great deal. Oops, sorry. It's a really great deal on HSN, and I believe they have another craft day coming up next week. I'm going to try to keep myself busy so I'm not watching. But I hope you enjoyed my little haul. And thanks so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed this and you like my craziness, be sure to hit the subscribe button, share it, let other friends know about me and a lot of the things I do with unboxings and stamping and crafting and chalking and inking and, well, you name it. Sewing too. I'm a little bit into that. I'm a little behind on that too. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you all back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.